So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And today we are playing Do Not Disturb because I just found this game. Hey, animations and all. Okay, like alarm na. Ay, vacation. Okay. Eh, nag-pack up na si Uncle. So, naa siya sa iyang van. Okay, so we are now playing. So, game tells us to tap. Bush. Door. Okay, it's him. Murag si Pikachu mana siya. Ay, hala si Pikachu jud. Okay, so let's see. Go somewhere new. I ads man di ay. Dili na lang. So we're gonna. So the point of this game is to tap it. Eh hala, nag-beauty beauty sleep si Uncle, sana all. Ay, fire. Ay, hala, oh my gosh, hala, sorry. Ay, hala, iyang ikog, oh my god. Ay, okay. Sorry, call. Okay, so let's check. Sana all. Hala, snake. Hala, dance moves. We're gonna oh, raccoon. Ay, hala, yes. Wala na. Buang. Hello. No thank you. Okay. So, it seems every time you tap something, you get a coin. So, tanaw ka na, 40, 41. So, let's tap. Call, abre. Hala, there's a bird. Ay, hala! Oh my gosh, iyang ban. Sana all, Superman. Hala, galakaw siya sa tubig, guys. Yung nabuang na. Oh my gosh. Call, abre, mga yukog sudan. Dili maput up. Ay, hala. Oh my gosh. Nasamot siyang pagka-black. Hala. Oh my gosh. Tugtog ta. Ito na po. Oh my gosh. Hala, yak. Ayaw niya. That's dirty. Oh my gosh. Ay, hala. Iyang anger meter. Angry na siya. Hala, yak. Hala, awa iyang van sa loob. Sada kayo. Sana all dato. Tuan na. So, angry meter. Tanawa. Okay. So, the same lang ang animation atong nakukuha. Ay, tuan na bird. Ay, hala. Hala, pas-pas kayo ang bird. Ay, hala. Ay, galit na siya. Oh my gosh, iyang angry meter. Ay, hala. 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 Oh my gosh, gi-explode niya ang ano. Ay, okay. So, naana ta di real. Launsa, naglag man ko. Ay hala, naglag ko guys. Unsa to? Hala, naglag lagi ko. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Naglag lagi ko guys. Unsa man to? Snowman. Hala, galag lagi ko guys. Unsa man ni? Hala, galag ko. Wait. Hala guys, galag jud ko guys. Oh my gosh. Let's tap on the tree. Gatap ko sa tree pero dili jud siya guys. Galag jud ko. Ano, buwang na guys. Lag na jud ko guys. Hello guys, lag na jud ko guys. Wait lang guys. I will reload the game cause I am lag. So I reloaded the game cause okay, so now it's not lagging. Okay, so it's a knot. Ay hala. Hala, sige. Hala, na beat up si Uncle. Sorry, Col. Si Uncle Gariz. Hala, joke lang. Lagi kaon niya. Anawa na, nakapulay na si Uncle. Water. Ay, hala. Oh my gosh. Ay, hala. Lumangoy si Uncle sa na tubig. Malamig na tubig. Ano? Come on. Sana. Ay, hala. Kinsa di ay na. Low. Kinsa to. So we're just gonna keep tapping. Ay, hala, bago. Hala. Nahulog si Uncle lahat ng nag-snow. Buang. Ay, hala, bright siya, nag-melt. Ay, maabri na di ay, tala-tala mang kakol. Abri na di ay, tala jud siya ba? O, anapod. Sige. Sige, mang-away mo, oh my gosh. So, sige, Uncle, mag-blink ka. Hala, sige. Suko na siya. Unsay mo problema, Col? Ay, hala, avalanche. Oh my gosh. Okay, so tanawa iyang meter. Galit na siya. Ayun sana. Ay, very festive. Oh my gosh. Ay, hala, luoy man. Luoy man si Uncle. Gikapoy siya mag-decorate o niya. Atora ang himuon ng squirrel. Squirrel di ay. Ay, ito na po. Naligo na po siya sa Pag-adto sa loob, kay. Hala, galit na siya. Sige, call. Ay, hala. Atora, imong himuon. Atora. Okay, so we are back, guys. We are back. Sige, play mo yan. Hala. Ang dance move ni Uncle. Sana all. Hala. Oh my gosh. Soko na noon. We were just vibing and chilling. Anapod. Hello guys, bayot man di ay si Uncle. Tuwa na po daw. He is standing on water. How is that possible? Oh my gosh. Call abri mangayo kog sodan. Na, usaw daw to na catch on fire kay wala man up. Wala man ang kalayo. Nabuang na. Ang logic sa game, wa ga logic. Wala di ay kalayo. Okay, so I'm lagging again. I'm gonna try renewing the game. So it's getting very annoying how it's lagging, guys. Let's start a kalayo. Hey! Disco! Hey! Sige. Sayang. Mag-moonwalk era siya. Oh my gosh. I-play ni mo ang gitara. Sige. Hey! Sayaw po ta. So what can I buy with the coins? What do we buy? Unsa di ay paliton? Nganong naaman ta coins? Oh wait, so we have okay, so we got all of these. We got the cutscenes. I'm pretty sure it's the cutscenes, and then look at this. We have only 2 more cutscenes to like make. So himo na nato. Wala nang patumpik-tongpek ka. Ay, kana bago. Okay. Init tapod na. I-blow sad nimo ang call. Ayaw diretso ibutang sa baba. Sama na oy. Okay, so we got that one, but we need one more. Ay, disco. Oh my gosh. Sige. Irampa mo yan. Hey, Macarena, ganda parang Latina. Talaga maganda ang babaeng Pilipina. Sige, lang alaw mo hanggang umaga. Parang Latina, slay queen. Hey, Macarena, ang ganda parang Latina. Char, kakanta naman noon. Hala, lisod ikuha ang last na cutscene, guys. Lisod man. Come on, give me the last cutscene, doll. Ay, baka ka na. Ay, hala. Ay, wait, kana na ba? Okay, let's see the moment of truth. It's it. Ay, delay, hala. Ay, ang sani. Ay, hala, gireset na ako. Hala, bugo ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am double bugo. I thought it reset, but it just actually played the cutscene. Okay, so I'm very bugo. I am so sorry. What? Okay. We're not getting any new ones. Please. I need a new one so I can finish the video. Eh, galit na siya. Sige. Ay, dili mo na bag. Oy. Pero at least, ala, naputol. Nabogto. So, we're gonna keep trying. Pagagalitin natin siya. Nawala na. Pagagalitin natin siya. Ito na. Nawala na. Unsa man to? Pagkadako ah. Okay, so ay hala na ba di ay cutscene. Oh my gosh. Wait lang guys. Okay, so let's play I hope you enjoyed the game. The game is called Do Not Disturb. Naa siya katong first, kabar katong second, kabar kini akong gi-play ang third. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe everyone. Anyways, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Please please stop it. It helps me a lot, like really a lot. So thank you. That's all for today's video. Bye.